Hello, my name is codyleslie, and I welcome you. Over the last 5 months, I have been working specifically with realtors to learn the step-by-step processes to selling a house. Now, in my 21-step guide that I have made for realtors and people looking to become realtors or transaction brokers alike, this is going to be a really helpful guide to understand how to sell a house step by step. This guide is going to be giving you everything from what to ask your clients to when to set up your meetings with your clients, and if you need to have contractors to fix up the house, when that needs to happen. This guide is going to be covering every single spectrum of selling a house, and it's going to be specifically for realtors or transaction brokers, I'm sorry. Now, the first thing you need to understand is that you're not going to be learning these things when you take your pre-licensing classes to become a transaction broker. If you've already taken your classes, you probably know this. In the state of New Mexico, they require you to take 90 hours of coursework to become a licensed transaction broker, as well as finishing the transaction broker test. Now, between these two things, a lot of times you're going to learn a lot of information about the mortgages, about the laws behind real estate, how to protect yourself from getting sued, but they're not going to be helping you understand how to sell a house. And that's why I'm here. I'm here to help you and anybody else who's interested to actually selling your first house. I welcome you on to this great journey we're going to go through. I'm going to have a link in the description below that's going to be giving you the PDF version of my guide, a short summaries of every single step, and if you watch all the videos, you'll get much more in detail steps to selling a house. Thank you. I look forward to working with you guys over the next videos.